In this video, we're going to look at our new folding EVF mount, and we also have a longer NATO rail for our viewfinder system. This is an 8-inch version, and the original was 6 inches. This helps you get to a little bit further away when you're shooting on your shoulder, especially useful if you have a camera like the FX6 where the rod clamp is fixed on the top plate and you don't have the handle adjustability like we do on this one. There's a variable friction built into the NATO rail itself, so you can grab and twist without reaching for a thumb screw. And our folding EVF mount is very similar to our original version. We have the NATO clamp and our friction knuckle, but we've added the pivoting folding action here, and that allows you to simply fold the monitor closed when you're ready to pack your bag. The folding EVF mount is compatible with all of our original twist mount spuds, and you can also configure this in a few different ways. We have it in the underslung mode, but we can also flip this over so that the spud clamp is on top of the NATO rail. Just lock our monitor in here. And now we can fold it to pack our bag with it being on top of the NATO rail. The folding action on the knuckle here is the same spud design, so you can actually unlock this thumb screw and separate these components. This will reveal a 15mm rod opening, so if you have some sort of need for a NATO rail and a 15mm rod with variable friction, you can do that. Just get creative. One thing I should mention is that if you have the Sony Burano, you should use our original pivot design because that lets you maintain the moving action on the viewfinder. So for example, on the Burano, the screen is in this position when you're using your viewfinder because you have a mirror and the loop coming out here, and there's no tilt option, but you could do that using the original pivot. The 8-inch NATO rail and folding viewfinder system are available now at mid49.com.